Okay, hello dear friends, good morning. It's kind of fun to learn something new and learn something that immediately see the result. So I will keep on learning makeup. That's a good one. So first I put some prime. So actually prime do not you can use colored prime or no color prime. Just a layer of cream will do the job. You can use any of your comfortable cream that is also a prime. So don't be intimidated or don't be scared off or fancied by the name, fantasized by the name of prime. Apply even and then let it dry. And you can put some foundation here and there when you feel not right. And you can do just this much. The rest is the gift from heaven or the curse from heaven. It's from your gene. That should be about it. And we will yesterday my hand was too hot on the powder, so today I will do it a bit lighter. Let's see what will happen. Very, very, very lightly. It's almost finished, so there's almost nothing. It's not to provide a layer of color. It's just to even out the greasy on your face, the grace, I think. This is supposed to be a bit more natural. And for the eye, I put a little bit more for the eye, for my eye makeup, eyebrow. So I feel my face is still quite wet, not very dry. And this one I use another cheap stuff. Let's see how it turned out. Very, very lightly. Too early. now I try to use brush. So I use light color to start with. I think I have another brush. This is for light. Should be this one. I use this gold color here. No, I should start with lighter for my, to provide a background color. Actually, this should be 1 or 2 layers light, 1 or 2 levels lighter than my color, but it is what it is. And this one, I use it for the gold color. Maybe this is not a good idea. Glittering maybe is not my thing. It doesn't hurt to try something. Very lightly. Okay, now I use this gold to go through it again so that it does not feel any gold. And now I use this. Lighter to lighten up the eye. It's not as light as this one actually. I will use my face powder. Glow powder. See, it's a little bit too bright. Use my finger to flatten it out. And this is kind of a no makeup and very much no difference. But it looks very, very no tint, and that is very, very, very light. So you basically need 1 or 2 colors for your makeup. And using this kind of hair band for short hair, it makes your hair very strange, so you may want to put some water or something to soften it a little bit, and that is about it. It's a bit too pink. And this one is a bit more orangey. Not overdo it, and use a soft brush. Here. Where is it? Yes, here. Cannot find. How many places do I have? Why I cannot find? Oh yeah, here. Behind the water. And that is it. I personally think that this one is less prominent and a bit more natural. I am getting more and more no makeup. Before I use black eyeliner, it's just too much. And now I feel I didn't wear glasses, so let me wear glasses to see. Still, it's quite showing off, but much better I feel. And the freckles, it did not cover up. That's me. What can I do? I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friends.